Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Legion 5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo Legion 5 is struggling with CPU regulation, it can lead to performance issues such as overheating, unexpected shutdowns, or sluggish behavior. It's crucial to address this problem promptly, otherwise, it could cause further damage to your laptop's components. Now, let's gather the tools needed for this repair. You will require a screwdriver set, thermal paste, an anti-static wrist strap, and a plastic spudger. Make sure you have everything ready before you begin. First, ensure your laptop is powered down and unplugged. Carefully remove the back panel by unscrewing the necessary screws, usually located around the edges of the device. Use the spudger to gently pry open the back cover without damaging the clips. Once the back panel is off, locate the CPU regulator, which is often near the CPU itself on the motherboard. Look for any signs of damage or burnt components. To extract the faulty regulator, you will need to desolder it from the motherboard. This requires a soldering iron, so if you're not comfortable with this process, it's best to consult a professional. When desoldering, be meticulous and ensure that you don't damage surrounding components. After removing the defective regulator, it's time to replace it with a new one. Position the new regulator in place and solder it carefully, making sure each pin is securely connected. Once you've completed the soldering, apply a thin layer of thermal paste to the CPU before resealing the back cover. Reattach the back panel, ensuring all screws are tightened securely. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from reoccurring, ensure that your laptop is well ventilated during use and consider using a cooling pad. Regularly check for dust buildup and clean your device, as overheating can exacerbate CPU regulation problems. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.